Here's a quick tutorial on how to work a turning chain for a UK double crochet, which is a US single crochet. Usually your pattern will ask you to turn at the end of a row. That simply means keeping your hook in place and flipping your work over, ready to start working on the other side of the fabric. The next instruction will be to chain 1. This chain is a turning chain and it will act as a building block for the side of your fabric and make sure that the stitches that follow are all at the right height. Next, you double or single crochet in the first stitch of the row, ignoring the turning chain closest to your hook. Note that unless specified within the pattern, this turning chain is not counted as a stitch. To help you, pop a place marker into the first double crochet you've just made to make sure you don't count the chain as a stitch. Most patterns will use turning chains, but I think there's a neater method that will elevate your crochet. Keep watching for my tutorial on starting double crochets.